Okay, hello sir. So this is the game that I am telling you na Pokepixel Egg Farm, and the item that I bought is the limited mon crate. I bought it for 499 Robux for 100 crates, and the monster that included, or the monster that you can get from this crate is this one is the Meowth, I guess, and Gyarados and the Zapdos, and then this the Groudon lookalike monster. But this four monster, which supposed to be you will get it by chance in the 100 crates that I bought before. But sad to say, I didn't get any crates, and as you can see in my inventory, I don't have anything from those pet. No? It is not in my inventory. So as you can see, this is only my pet. Yeah. So this one, I bought it for 19 Robux. I got this one. So, but the other 100 that I bought for 499 Robux is not in my inventory. So I paid for it, as you can see in my transaction account before. I sent it to you via screenshot, no? So you can see that my account was deducted by 499 Robux, but the item, which is supposed to be the limited mon crate, 100 pieces limited mon crate, I didn't get it in my account. So please help me to refund my 499 Robux that I spent in this experience. So thank you, and I do hope that I get the refund as soon as possible.